Hi everyone, it's Mike Fenwick here from Red Shark Digital. Thank you for joining us on this series on digital accessibility. Throughout the series, we've covered the following guidelines for making your website or app more accessible. Add enough color contrast. Don't use color alone to make critical information understandable. Design usable focus states. Use labels or instructions with form fields and inputs. Use alternative text for images. Use correct markup on your content, and support keyboard navigation. We hope these guidelines have been helpful and will inspire you to continue learning about and championing in accessibility. Designing for accessibility is a process, and it's important to continue the conversation about why it matters. As designers and developers, we have the responsibility to make technology usable for all people, regardless of their abilities, economic situation, age, education, or geographic location. So let's continue to design responsibly and make sure that everyone has access to what we create. Thank you for watching.